Ethereum value equivalent to 68,355 rands a coin. The present cost range, 65.89 and 89, 68 and 784. The earlier day close, 66,384. The change was plus 1971, plus 297%. Opposite rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. To start with, cost at 71.93 rands. Exorbitant cost 70.4209, while low cost 60.4499. Found the middle value of cost 69.91. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 69.354. Change for July 35%. Ethereum estimate for August 2024. To start with, cost at 69.354 rands. Exorbitant cost 83.989, while low cost 69.354. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 75.298. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 78.494. Change for August 13.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset, cost at 78.494 rands. Excessive cost 90.3465, while low cost 78.494. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 80.4451. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 80.7350. Change for September 11.3%. Ethereum conjecture for October 2024. At the outset, cost at 80.7350 rands. Excessive cost 101.745, while low cost 80.7350. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 90.2884. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 95,089. Change for October 8.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost, cost at 95.89 rands. Exorbitant cost 194.58, while low cost 95,089. Found the middle value of cost 100.483. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 122.97. Change for November 7.6%. Ethereum estimate for December 2024. First and foremost, cost at 122.97 rands. Exorbitant cost 111.85, while low cost 96.637. Found the middle value of cost 103.508. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 103.911. Change for December 1.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2025. Before all else, cost at 103.911 rands. Excessive cost 103.911, while low cost 80.82.83. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 90.17.758. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 94.1928. Change for January 8.6%. Ethereum figure for February 2025. Before all else, cost at 94.928 rands. Excessive cost 113.10, while low cost 90.4928. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 120.21. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 105.617. Change for February 11.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 105.617 rands. Excessive cost 116.34, while low cost 101.200. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 108,017. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 188.17. Change for spring 30%. Ethereum figure for April 2025. Initially cost at 188.17 rands. Excessive cost 115.71, while low cost 100,711. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 108.4023. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 182.91. Change for April's 5%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2025. Before all else, cost at 182.91 rands. Excessive cost 130.44.11, while low cost 182.91. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 119.53. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 125.618. Change for May 16%. Ethereum figure for June 2025. Before all else, cost at 125.618 rands. Excessive cost 139.95, while low cost 128.95. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 128.91. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 129.95. Change for June 35%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2025. At the outset, cost at 129.95 rands. Excessive cost 160.350, while low cost 129.95. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 143,034. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 150,794. Change for July 16%. Ethereum conjecture for August 2025. In the first place, cost at 150,794 rands. Exorbitant cost 150,794, while low cost 121,871. The found the middle value of cost 138,626. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 131,44. Change for August 13.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 130.44 rands. Exorbitant cost 140.24.61, while low cost 120.38.21. The found the middle value of cost 130.26.17. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 133.141. Change for September 16%. Ethereum estimate for October 2025. First and foremost, cost at 133.141 rands. Exorbitant cost 165.255, while low cost 133.1941. The found the middle value of cost 140.64.95. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 150.44.44. Change for October 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. First and foremost, cost at 150.44.44 rands. Exorbitant cost 150.44.44, while low cost 120.65.67. The found the middle value of cost 140.28.87. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 130.60.94. Change for November 11.9%. Ethereum gauge for December 2025. In the first place, cost at 130.60.94 rands. Excessive cost 130.73.18, while low cost 119.352. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 130.2.75. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 128.335. Change for December 5.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. Initially cost at 128.335 rands. Excessive cost 150.92.90, while low cost 128.335. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 141.207. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 148.869. Change for January 16%. Ethereum figure for February 2026. To start with, cost at 148.869 rands. Exorbitant cost 160.188.39, while low cost 140.